So we are doing something new. We are gonna do grilled barbecued meatballs. So we're gonna barbecue these things. We're actually gonna smoke them. After we smoke them, we're gonna put it in the sauce. Let's see how it goes. Now to give it an extra smoking taste, I'm gonna have my main man assistant over here. He went and picked some rosemary from the garden. Throw them in, lie them down next to each other. Yep, just like that. You can see the smoke coming out already. Look at that smoke. And then main man assistant's gonna take the grill with the meatballs on it, put it over the smoke. Look at that. And now we're gonna close it to get the smoke in effect. Look at that. Smoking in there. Smoke those meatballs. There's my main man doing some blowing over there. Ah, look at those meatballs. Browning the meatballs and smoking them. Just take a little peek. Whoa. Oh my, the smoke just came out. The trick is when the fire is too big, we close the choke over here. Main man, close the top choke. Closing the top choke, it should choke the fire and put it down and leave it just smoking. We'll see if that works. Now we're going to take out the meatballs and look at them. Look at that. Oh my. Oh my. And we're going to put them in the pot. L'chavod Shabbat Kodesh. So you got a little fire going on the side, smoking it up. We're taking them out. Put them in this handy dandy plate. All right, we're finishing it up over here. Now we got a full plate. Show it to me, man. All right. Now, coming through. Getting ready for this. Oh my! So this is the sauce. Here is the sauce. And now the meatballs will go into the tomato sauce that we pre-made. Look at that. Look here at that. Wow. Now we let it cook for a little bit. Now the secret is I love cooking with wine. Sometimes I even put some of it in the food. Here we go. Shabbat Shalom.